have to believe in fate.
Alright guys, so let's jump right into it. I already have my foundation, eyes, and eyebrows done. So what I do first, it's a preference. I start off with a highlighting concealer first. So for concealer, you could choose any concealer of your choice. It has to be like 1 to 2 shades lighter, not like super light. But you know, everybody has their own preference of how bright they want their contour. Did I just say contour? Highlight. How they want their highlight, okay? So I'm gonna start off with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This concealer is affordable. For me, it's a good price for the bottle. I think it retails for like 30 something. But it's a good price for the bottle and how much you get in the bottle. So it's a good price. It's not bad. You know what I'm saying? So what I do, I apply concealer like right under my eyes. And you don't want to apply the concealer all the way up here, because when you blend it out, it's going to look crazy. So what I do, I apply the concealer here, and then I bring it down on the side of my nose, and I just create like a little triangle you want to say. So depending on what concealer you're using, you want to get more coverage, and you apply however amount you want to apply, okay? So I don't apply that much with this concealer, because this concealer is, you know, full coverage. So if you use like the LA Girl Pro concealer, it's good coverage, but if you're a full coverage person, you might want to go in like another time with the concealer, okay? So I'm gonna do the same thing I did that side. I go on like the side of my nose, and I just do it out. And if you don't have a applicator like this, the LA Girl Pro concealer, that one comes with an applicator. The Maybelline comes with an applicator. I think most concealers come with applicators, so you know, so you just don't put it all the way out here, okay? So then I go on the side of my nose also. I do this on the side of my nose, because this is gonna help you. You guys will see when I start contouring how it's gonna look. But I put it like on the side of my nose. Alright. And forehead, I do like 3 lines on my forehead. And then above the lip, if you have like a little mustache like I do, I hate it, but I get rid of it. But if some days you're lazy, you don't want to just wax it, I put, even when I don't do it, I still put concealer here, because you want to get rid of that darkness around your lip area. You don't want that. Okay, you don't want any darkness around your lips. And then under the chin, and then of course the center of the nose. So yes, I know it looks like I just applied a whole lot of concealer on my nose, but honestly, it's really not that much concealer on my nose. But that's, you guys will see when I start contouring how it will all come together. So you get like a damn beauty blender. I already did mine. If you too lazy and you don't want to get up and like get a beauty blender, you could take any setting spray. I take the Mary Disco Skincare setting spray and I spray it just so it's like damp, and then you blend from in out. So you're gonna blend. And then remember, you're not gonna bring it all the way out here. You're gonna stop like right under your brow. And the concealer on your nose, you see, is gonna create, you just dab it over here. And what I do, this is me, I connect my concealer from under here all the way down here, because I also conceal above my lip. And you're just gonna do the other thing, the same thing to the other eye. Alright, so now everything's blended out. You're gonna set it. I crease easy after I apply concealer, so I go right into the setting powder. So the setting powder I'm gonna use today is my Maybelline setting powder. This is a good setting powder, and you just wanna apply setting powder where you apply concealer, and you wanna like press it in. Alright, so I leave the setting powder on for a little bit. I don't bake entirely. After I put on my contour. So what I use to contour, I don't use liquid contour or cream contour because I'm oily and I'm kind of skeptical about using it. But I use the CoverGirl Queen to contour, or I use my True Complexion Black Radiance contour palette, which I can't locate right now. But I use this. And I use this brush. It's from BH Cosmetics. Well, this is a tapered, it's a tapered brush. So I use this brush, and let me get my mirror. You never want to go down that way to apply contour when you're first applying it. You always want to move upwards in an upward motion. So you contour upwards and you blend it out. And you never want your contour to be like super bright. So you blend it, but you don't blend it all the way down here. You stop like right here. And then you blend. And then you go over your forehead. I have a big forehead, so I apply like a whole lot of contour powder. For if you don't have a big forehead like I do, you don't have to apply that much on your forehead. But basically, the contour just brings back color to your face and helps you look more snatched and like slims down your face. So I'm just gonna apply it on my forehead. Y'all ignore my edges right now. Just curl and stick them down. Okay. So I'm just gonna do my forehead. And then the same thing for this side. You go up. You never go that way. You go up. Okay. And another thing too, the reason why I like the powder is like you don't have to like worry about how you blend it. Like the powder, you could just, there you go, dab it on and you're good. The cream contour is kind of, it's harder to blend, and it's not beginner friendly, and it's just a beginner friendly tutorial. Okay, so now that you did your forehead and on the side of your nose, ignore my mustache, y'all, side of your face, you're gonna do under your neck, like right here, just because you kind of want to slim down. And if you have like an under chin, this works out perfectly for you, but I just like to be extra and like just snatch. Okay, so if you want like a snatched, real snatch contour, you could take some setting powder and you just go right under the contour and you just draw, you just carve it out, just carve it out, and then you just snatch out your contour. Bam. Now for nose contour, you can use like a blending brush. I always use like this one that has like a fluffy bottom, and I use the same contour that I use around my face for my nose. So you just want to start, I always start from here and like work it down. You like blend it out, and like you just blend it up into your eyebrow, because you don't want like a crazy contour around your nose and it doesn't look blended. So after you do that, I go around my nose, right? Go around my nose, and then do the same on this side, and I go down. And you just want to blend. You know, they do it like this. Just blend. And make sure it looks seamless and it doesn't look like crazy. So, you always blend it up into your eyebrows. Right, and then dust away that powder. You get like a powder that's like close to your skin tone or like a little brighter than your skin tone, and you just dust away the areas where you applied that powder. Alright guys, so the lining looks a little bit different because I had to adjust it a little bit. I didn't realize it was super bright. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this in-depth tutorial of my highlight and contour routine and how I highlight and contour. If you did enjoy the video, give the video a thumbs up. And be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And the only way you're gonna get notified when I post is hitting that notification bell, which is right near the subscribe button. I don't know why this black stuff, what's this black stuff on my hand, but yeah. But if you like the video, give the video a thumbs up and make sure to hit that notification bell. And I think I'll start doing notification shoutouts. So if you want a notification shout out, turn your notifications on and comment down below that you turned them on, and who knows, you might be shout out in my next video. Okay, bye guys.